Hi everyone, my name is Hamid. On this presentation, I will talk about my resume and my cover letter to get a job in a Saudi oil company. It's called Saudi Aramco. So first, let's talk about Saudi Aramco. What's Saudi Aramco? Saudi Aramco is the largest oil producer in the Middle East. It was founded in 1933 by the Saudi and the US government. Now, Aramco, in its endeavor to expand, they need people that could project the cost of expansions and the maintaining the current and future states of their business. Now, what is an estimating engineering? The estimating engineering, it's actually the engineers who has judgment, or who has or who she has judgment and experience, and this judgment and experience can be used in the application of scientific principles and the techniques to the problems. These problems such as problem of estimation, problem of cost control, problem of business planning and management science, also the problem of profitability analysis, also the problem of project management, and then the problem of planning and scheduling. Now, I want to be a full-time employee in Saudi Aramco. The job I want will be about estimating capabilities, including the experience devoted to petrochemical, refinery, pipeline, or power generation projects. Now, the requirements. Actually, in the market today, degree is everything. The importance of higher education cannot be further emphasized. In receiving this job, a proof of post-secondary education is needed. So, finally, receiving a college degree, the thought is that is enough. However, as time has progressed, companies want to be assured that the academic intelligence is on par with other students from other universities. So, how they are be able to do this is by having standard exams, by getting a professional engineering certificate. These protect the public by enforcing standards that restrict practice to qualify individuals who have met specific qualification in education, in work experience, and exams. So, therefore, by having this certification, Aramco is not only assured that I have the knowledge of being an engineer only, but will have the code of the ethics and standards. So now the tools I will use. As an engineer, these are the common tools that will be required. In using Aspen Tech, I may be able to find the latest pricing of raw materials, construction equipment, and the cost revenue of a full-scale plant. And then the log. The log is an accounting software highly recommended by engineering friends I have on LinkedIn. And then MATLAB. MATLAB is a helpful program to the most of the engineering fields. So now the workplace culture. So now the mission I see in the job. So this mission is the importance of commerciality and profitability in our hydrocarbon operations. Also, it can be in saying in other words that we pay as much attention to the physical discipline and our bottom line as any of multinationals. So now we go to the corporate culture. For the safety at Aramco, excellence in safety and health in the workplace is a core value. It's our vision that nobody get hurt, which helps us to ensure long-term sustainable performance. And then for the ethic and technical leadership, our commitment to high ethical standards drives our disciplined approach, which is critical to our success. And then for the community and society, we believe successful companies are those that sees business discipline and corporate citizenship as interlinked. Now the belief. So, how do you continuously improve and satisfy clients? It's by setting a pillar or structure that allow for the efficiency and the quality of products to be of a highest emphasis. This sets the stage to continuously improve, and Aramco achieves this by having a numerous bonus system for each employee. Communication. So in Saudi Aramco, speaking to employees currently there, they attend at least a meeting a week on methods of improving refinery efficiency and always upholding safety standards. In this meeting, it gives employees the chance to feed of their minds. However, also memos are mostly used as your supervision. In turn, we have numerous meeting with more upper level management. So with more than 56,000 employees working in Aramco, it's quite challenging, but made it possible to effectively communicate. So the value. What's my favorite part of working at Aramco? This is the question. So the aim that I want to work for Aramco is that the constant opportunity to be part of a game changing project, whether this project is discovering new oil fields or this project working on producing novel petroleum products. I get the opportunity to make change. The training. So in Aramco, they have highly points on training, and they consider it very important things. So which employees in Aramco got a 6 month training and classes. Also, they go to the field on safety, and they require the work ethics. Improvement. So, in sustaining its ability to produce, Aramco should have efficient method of sorting the crude oil in anticipation for continuous fluctuating in global demand. The on-time supply changing could be an effective thing that they could present to the company. And we can see that the weakness of Aramco, which is in 3 points. One is the relative small streaming capacity, and then we go to the heavily dependence on sales of one commodity, which is oil. And then the last one is continuously raising domestic gas demand growth and fluctuating the gas supply. So now we move to the cover letter resume. We would ask first, what kind of cover letters have been the most memorable in a positive way. So the good cover letters is capable of working under instant pressure. So this is common of someone working in a production of ample amount of oil produced. And then the good cover letters is capable of working in an intercultural group as Aramco incorporates various smart engineers from across the world. So here is my cover letter to Mr. Abud Baktis, the employee relation superintendent. Now, what my cover letter has? It actually has 6 points. One is the position I'm applying for, and why I'm applying for that position. Also, who I am, and what I'm studying, and then it has also example of work I have done, such as projects, these which allow employees to see I have future group skills. Also, it has a memorable story that shows my character. Also, my cover letter shows that I have been engaged in using cost analysis software. Also, it's be able to develop an oil refinery on my own. So, considering Aramco is constantly building refinery, so this is important skills. And then it has the last thank you and contact information. So the good resume. The good resume shows highly enough aptitude and maturity that they are be able to perform a task with minimal supervision. Also, the good resume should be able to copy with other growing work demand. Also, it should be effective in communicating with the group members. Also, it should be capable of delegating authority. So now let's take a look of what my resume has. It has educational background, also the technical skills, then work experience. Also, it has achievements, and at the end, it has the leadership and activity. Thank you a lot for your listening, and I hope you enjoy this presentation. If you have any question, just ask me. Thank you so much.